Okay, I'm Eric Wupperman, and I am the chef and owner of Treeline Kitchen in Leadville, Colorado. I'm also a partner in Yellowbelly Chicken. We've got a number of locations in Colorado. I am here to tell you about the Winston Foodservice guys and their operation. I use numerous of their products. In Yellowbelly, we use their pressure fryers, the collectromatic fryers. We use the mobile oil filtration system. We use their C-Vap holding cabinets. In Treeline, we use all of that equipment plus the cook and hold cabinets. I make desserts in them. I fry chicken. I roast rack of lamb. We cook chicken breasts. We cook macaroni and cheese. All sorts of things. The company is big and professional, yet very small and personal. I've worked with Gary Wyckoff. I've worked with their chef, Barry Yates, and Winston himself in Kentucky. Got some education there from those fellas, and they're always there when you need help. I can't remember what we cooked the prime rib on, and you ring them and they answer and they help you through it. Highly recommend all of their equipment. We have been doing business together as partners for over 10 years, and I see years of business to come still. So use their products. You won't be sorry.